Struggling to detect hidden faults in electronics, pipelines, or HVAC systems? Meet the MILESEEY TR256E/B Thermal Imager, your professional-grade solution for pinpoint accuracy, now on Aliexpress. This game-changing camera boasts 256 by 192 ultra-high resolution, 4x sharper than entry-level models. With a 50 Hz refresh rate, it captures real-time thermal changes smoothly, perfect for dynamic inspections. Experience unmatched precision, 0.1 degrees Celsius temperature accuracy, and a super-sensitive 40 mK NETD sensor detect even the slightest heat variations, critical for PCB diagnostics, electrical faults, and building assessments. Built for the field, the 5,000 mAh battery delivers 12 hours of continuous use, no interruptions during long jobs. Plus, it survives 6.6-foot drops and includes an LED flashlight for dark spaces. Rugged? Absolutely. Tailor your view with 4 color palettes, highlight overheating circuits, moisture leaks, or mechanical stress instantly. From vehicle diagnostics to industrial maintenance, this camera adapts to your needs. Ready to elevate your inspection work? The MILESEEY TR256E offers professional-grade thermal imaging at an unbeatable price point. Find it now on Aliexpress, a smart investment for precise diagnostics.